Welcome to the Happy Planet Taxi Booking App tutorial. Today, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to use this convenient and user-friendly application to book your next taxi ride. Let's get started. First, download the Happy Planet Taxi app from your Google Play or App Store and launch it on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, you will be directed to the home screen, displaying a map of your current location. Simply drag the map to pin the desired pickup location. Next, tap on the Where to button to input the address of your destination. You can either type in the address or choose from the suggested options that appear below for your convenience. After setting up the pickup location and destination, you have the option to apply any available promo codes by entering them in the designated field. This can help you save on your fare. If you need to pre-book a ride for a specific date and time, you can do so by selecting the desired date and time in the app's booking form. Just tap the pre-book button to pre-book a ride. Additionally, you can add any special requests or directions for the driver by entering them in the notes section of the booking form. The app allows you to choose between a 4-seater or a 6-seater taxi. Depending on your needs, simply select the appropriate option once you are satisfied with all the details, including the pickup location, destination, promo codes if any, additional notes, and taxi type. Tap on the Confirm Booking button to finalize your ride. After tapping Confirm Booking, you will be directed to the payment options. Choose the Pay in Car option on the app. Happy Planet Taxi accepts all major credit and debit cards. You can conveniently make your payment through the app. We also support native pay on board if you prefer to pay using alternative payment methods accepted by the driver. Congratulations, your ride has been successfully booked. You will receive a text confirmation with a link to track your taxi driver's current location. Thank you for booking with Happy Planet Taxis. Go green, ride clean with your Green Echo team.